Hello and welcome. So first of all, welcome to my house in San Cristobal. It's a very overcast and very chilly day here today, but it's not going to stop me making this video. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Qigong and give you a very simple exercise to help you, go much deeper with it and refine and enhance your awareness inside your body, which is super important. Because one of the things I've really noticed when I watch Qigong videos like on YouTube or instructional videos or even going to a class is that we tend to do too many things. There's so many different layers and dimensions of Qigong practice. For example, if we're doing a movement, the first dimension is really the physical dimension. Am I getting my joints in alignment? Even with this movement, there's so many things going on. How many joints are involved in this? So I've got to work out that on one dimension. The second dimension is breathing. Where do I breathe? How do I breathe? Am I breathing up here? Am I breathing down here? So there's another thing that's playing a part in the movement. Another dimension is where do I put my attention when I'm doing it? Am I in my physical body? Am I in my breath? Or am I moving in different parts? Am I focusing on the cosmic spirit? Then there's another dimension which they call the Spirit of Qigong. So this is a bit more sort of abstract, where like if we're doing a certain form like a tiger or a crane or something like that, is that you actually start practicing embodying the animal or the spirit of the animal. So you merge into that the essence of the animal to get the essence of the movement. So there's so many different layers going on, right? And so what we tend to do in these Qigong practices is that we're moving constantly, and then we move to the next one, and we move to the next one, and we move to the next one, and we never really get deep in any of them, right? So what I want to show you is a very simple practice which you will be able to transfer into all the Qigong practices, yoga, martial arts. It's a foundational practice, and you really need to get this mastered before adding too many things. We add too many things, and maybe that's a Westerner thing, we get bored easily, so we're like, show me this, show me this. But we've got to stop doing that. And the movement I want to show you, we could simply call it rolling through the spine. So feet shoulder width apart, knees soft, hand on the dantian, however you've been told. And with this one, you just curl the pelvis under and you start to let the roll come up through the spine. And then you start moving your hips back or your butt back a little bit, and then you'll get the wave the other direction. And then it goes forward, wave comes up, goes back, wave comes through. So at the beginning, you'll even probably do it without much of the head. And I actually recommend it. So try and just focus awareness. Get your lower back smooth, rolling through. I feel move up through your back. And then eventually you'll start moving or allowing to come into the head. All right. And with this movement, what I recommend is just do this, nothing else. Set a timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes if you're hardcore. And this is all you do, nothing else. Don't focus on anything else. You can, after a while, like after a few minutes, you'll start exploring like little micro movement adjustments. You'll start experimenting with speeding it up and slowing it down. And after a while, depending on your level of awareness, you could actually feel each vertebra at a time as it moves up. And this is what we need to practice. This is what I recommend. This is all you do. Especially at the beginning of your practice, maybe 5-10 minutes at the beginning. If you want to go on and do other stuff, that's cool. But this is a strong foundation. Got to get the spine loose. But also, you've got to put the awareness in the spine. It's your center point. It's your core. If you don't have awareness, strong sensitivity in the inner core of the spine and how to move each vertebra, doing all this stuff, you know, like without a strong, you know, center, all this stuff's, you know, you're probably doing it inefficiently. It's all over the place. So just do this. And not only will this bring more awareness, this will heal so many back problems. More than massage, if you do it regularly. And you'll even, like, I'm starting to feel like different cracks come in, different points. This is it. So this is it. Rolling through the spine, set a timer for 5-10 minutes. And this is all you do. Experiment, close your eyes and do it. Experiment, open your eyes and do it. And just see where it takes you. If you stay in it, like one of my Qigong teachers, like if you just do one movement for 15 minutes, 15 minutes is the beginning of when you're actually getting deeper into it. You're actually starting to get to the you know, the juice of the movement. Again, if we just do things for like 30 seconds and then move on, like there's no awareness there. So just practice this, get really good at this, master the basics. Always come back to the basics. And then, you know, just see what happens. It'll change everything. It'll change your body and it'll change your energy levels and so many things. So that's it for this video. Hopefully it's helpful. If you like it, please leave a comment below. If you want more of these type of videos, then be sure to subscribe as well. Let me know, and I will see you next time. So thank you very much.